Hello students, hope you have learned all the identities. Now you have to apply that all identities for solving the questions of exercise 2.5. So let's start. Question number 1 is use suitable identity to find the following product. And first part of this question is you have to find the product of x plus 4 and x plus 10. First you have to think which suitable identity we can use. Yes student, obviously we will use your fourth identity, since in this identity there are two brackets and in question also there are two brackets. X plus a into x plus b equal x square plus within bracket a plus b into x plus ab. First you have to compare this identity with the question, and you can easily see here the value of x is x. The value of a is within first bracket. What is the value of a is here? 4, and the value of b is 10. Now you have to substitute all these values in the right hand side of this fourth identity. X square in place of x you have to write as it is. Within bracket you have to substitute the value of a and b, that is 4 and 10. It means 4 plus 10 into x will as it is, plus a into b. A into b, it means 4 into 10. Next step, x square as it is. Now we will simplify this bracket. 4 plus 10, it means 14 into x, and 4 tens are, it means 40. This is your answer. With the help of identity we can easily find the products. Now the second part of this question is x plus 8 into x minus 10. Again we will apply here same property, same identity, and that identity is x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus within bracket a plus b into x plus a b. Again we will compare here the values of x, a and b. Here the value of x is again x, the value of a is here 8 in first bracket at the right hand side of the plus sign, and the value of b. You can see here student, in second bracket there is a negative sign. When you compare with this b, at the time you have to take minus sign also. So the value of b will be minus 10. Now we will substitute all the values. X square plus within bracket a, what is the value of a is here 8, plus b, and what is the value of b is here minus 10, into x as it is. A into b, it means 8 into minus 10. Simplify this step. X square as it is plus within bracket plus minus will convert into minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10, it means minus 80. Next step, x square plus 8 minus 10, what we will get? Minus 2, x plus minus minus. Last step, x square plus minus will convert into minus 2x minus 80. This is your final answer. We cannot add or subtract because all the terms are unlike. Now the third part of this question is y square plus 3 upon 2 into y square minus 3 upon 2. Now again you have to think which identity we can use here. There are two brackets, within first bracket plus sign, and within second bracket there is a negative sign with the same number, y square 3 upon 2 3 upon 2. So obviously we can use here third identity, a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Again we will compare here and we will find the value of a and b. You can easily see here student, the value of a is here y square and value of b is here 3 upon 2. In right hand side we will substitute the values of a and b. Y square whole square minus b square, it means 3 upon 2 whole square. Y square whole square, exponent will multiply this, again exponent using law of exponent, we will get y to the power 4. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2. What we will get? We will get 9 upon 4. So this is the product of these two by using third identity. And the fourth part of this question is 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. Again there are two brackets. Within first bracket negative sign and second bracket plus sign with the same number. Same identity we will use. It means third identity, a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Again we will compare. Here the value of a is 3 and the value of b is here 2x. Here a equal 3 and b equal 2x. Just you have to substitute the values of a and b. A square, it means 3 square. B square, it means 2x whole square. 3 3s are 3 square, it means 3 into 3 9, and 2x whole square, it means 2x into 2x, you will get 4x square. So student, with the help of identity you can easily find the product.